Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Quick Review and Unboxing. This time I will talk about the 1:48 scale watt F4U Corsair from Hobbyboss. The kit is from the year 2013, is relatively cheap and comes with lots of options. Its moldings are nicely detailed, but if you decided to upgrade it with some scratch build, it will look much better. The kit includes two versions of the cockpit tab and instrument panel. This particular kit represents an F4U-4B aircraft from the 1950s, so I will stick with the -4B cockpit version. And it doesn't include any seat belts, so more scratch build. If you want to, you can also upgrade the main landing gear with some copper and LED wires imitating hydraulic hoses for the brake system. Most attention is paid to the engine parts. They are the most detailed pieces of the kit, but I will add some cabling as well. The main landing gear shaft has some imperfections. There are visible molding lines. They look quite good. I will see what I can do about it. No problem. You have an option to build the Corsair with folded and unfolded wings. There is a special mechanism for it. You can also choose to fold the landing flaps. This will be fun. You can also choose to let the gun base open. Unfortunately, there is no guns included, so more scratch build. The engine cover and cowling are molded separately. There is a chance for some modifications. It's a pity that the kit comes only with additional fuel tanks. There are no rockets or bombs included. The clear pads look amazing. There are no visible scratches. The instruction manual is very good. It includes 9 work steps. Every work step is drawn in detail. Here you can find out every option that the kit offers. Painting all parts and details, gluing them together, options for folded wings and flaps, open gun bay, and much more. The markings and paintings manual includes 2 machines. The first is a Marine Corsair from the aircraft carrier USS Bairoko, and the second is a Navy Corsair from USS Essex. You can find a color converter for Mr. Hobby, Vallejo, Model Master, Tamiya, and Humboldt paints. From my experience with Hobbyboss decals, they are fantastic. They are strong, don't tear or fall apart. Okay, that was enough for today. I think the kit is good. More information about the kit's pros and cons I will discuss in the actual build. Until then, keep modeling and stay awesome. Bye!